Previous year other practice question of literature. Which of the following is an example of lyrical ballad? La Ballade d'Aime sans Merci. जो ला बैलेड डैम सेंसी है, मेर्सी है, ये एक बैलेड लिटरेरी बैलेड का प्रकार है. A type of fiction which lacks the exotic setting of romances but develops a brooding atmosphere of gloom and terror is called Gothic. Formal and sustained lament in words for death of a particular person, usually ending in a consolation, is elegy. An allegory is a story in which character settings and actions stand beyond their literary meaning. The pattern sonnet usually contains octave of 8 lines and sextet of 6 lines. Which one of following statement true about an epic? Epic, long verse narrative on a serious subject told in a formal and elevated style. The strophe and antistrophe and epode are three major parts of ode. The principal aim of Gothic writing is to instill chilling terror. Which one of the following is incorrect? An ode is a long lyric poem है, सोलमन एंड सीरियस टोन है, एन एड्रेस टू पर्सन एन ऑब्जेक्ट है, लेकिन पोएम ऑफ 40 लाइन्स नहीं है. सोनेट कंटेन्स एन आइम्बिक पेंटामेटर्स लाइन्स. विच ऑफ फॉलोइंग नॉट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ एन एपिक? लॉन्ग नेरेटिव पोएम होती है, कैरेक्टर ऑफ हीरोइक टाइप होता है एपिक में स्टाइल होती है मार्क्ड बाई डिग्निटी एंड सबलिमिटी भी होती है. इट इज़ इन फॉर्म ऑफ एड्रेस डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. नहीं ये नहीं होता. सेले पीबी सेले, जो पीबी सेले की है एडनाइस, मिल्टन की है लिसिडस, और अर्नोल्ड की है थाइसिरसिस, ऑर्डन की है इन मेमोरी ऑफ डब्ल्यू ऑर्डन की है इन मेमोरी ऑफ डब्ल्यू ईट्स, और अर्नोल्ड की है थ्रेसिस. Pastoral comedies are usually characterized by characters hailing from the rustic class, especially the shepherds and shepherdesses. Which one of the following poems of Keats is a ballad? La Ballade d'Aime sans Merci, ये Keats की है, वो जो क्या है एक ballad है. Choose the appropriate option. Any poem could be an example of allegory. Which one of the following is the feature of an ode? Elevated style होती है ode में. A story, poem or picture that can be interpreted to reveal a hidden meaning, typically a moral or political one. Allegory. Which one of the following not a feature of sonnet? Sonnet 49 होती है, लिरिक पोएम होती है sonnet, और है ऑक्टेट सेक्सटेट भी होता है, लेकिन आरबी पेंटामेटम भी लिखी होती है. A line of poetry that begins and ends with the same words is known as serpentine verse. सेम से होती है, लाइन होती है जो सेम ही वर्ड से और सेम ही वर्ड से ख़त्म होती है, शुरू और ख़त्म होती है, उसको कहते हैं serpentine verse. Select the right option. 3 parts of elegy. पहले सोलो होता है, फिर एडमिरेशन और फिर एक्सेप्टेशन, या फिर एक्सेप्टेंस. एडमिरेशन फिर एक्सेप्टेंस. An important element of satire. Satire का important element wit और humor. Which one of these not a characteristic of dramatic monologue? एक लिशन होता है ड्रामेटिक मोनोलॉग में, डायलॉग कैसे होगा? और द स्पीकर गिव्स एन इंसाइट इनटू द कैरेक्टर सही है, और देयर इज स्पीकर सही है. मॉक इंसाइट इनटू द कैरेक्टर होता है. मॉक एपिक स्टाइल कैन बी लाइकन टू इमिटेटिंग और बर्लेस्क सही है. मॉक एपिक स्टाइल कैन बी लाइकन टू बाई इमिटेटिंग और बर्लेस्क. चूज द राइट ऑप्शन. बैलेड जो होती है उनमें क्या इंक्लूड होता है? लोकल लेजेंड होती है बैलेड होती है, सिंपल लैंग्वेज में होती है, लोकल लेजेंड होती है, और म्यूजिक होता है बैलेड में. सही गाता गीत होती है बैलेड. स्टोफी एंटीस्टोफी और एपोड, ये ऑड के पार्ट है. ये इन ऑड एपोड जो होता है, एपोड क्या रेफर्स करता है? द स्टेंजा व्हेन द डांसर्स स्टैंड इन द मिडल ऑफ स्टेज एंड सिंग. यानी एक स्टेज होता है, फिर जहाँ डांस रहता है, स्टैंड मिडिल में खड़ा होता है और गाता है. क्या करता है? सिंग करता है, गाता है, उसको कहते हैं एपोड. बैलेड्स इन देयर प्रोटाइप वर क्या है? फोक ओनली सॉन्ग्स और ट्रांसमिटेड पोइम्स. सोनेट्स फ्रॉम द पोर्तुगीज इज रिटन बाई एलिजाबेथ बैरेट ब्राउनिंग। एलिजाबेथ बैरेट ब्राउनिंग है रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग की वाइफ, उसने लिखी थी सोनेट्स फ्रॉम द पोर्तुगीज। विच ऑफ द दीज वर्क्स डजंट बिलोंग टू एपिक जेनर। एपिक जेनर में कौन सी नहीं है? इलियड ओडिसी है। ये इलियड ओडिसी वो जो एलेक्जेंडर पोपो इसके द्वारा ट्रांसलेटेड भी किए गए हैं। और पैराडाइज लॉस्ट है ये जॉन मिल्टन का। द ले ऑफ द लास्ट मिनिस्ट्रल ये नहीं है एपिक जेनर में। इसके बाद में आता है सिलेक्ट द राइट ऑप्शन। कल्चर सोनेट वॉज गिवन बाई। कल्चर सोनेट किसके द्वारा की गई थी? जी.एम. हॉपकिंस के द्वारा। अ स्टोरी विथ मिस्ट्री when terror usually built around a gloomy background is Gothic tale में होता है। A narrative or formal and sustained poem of lament elegy। A piece of literature which deals with which generally with the passing of lost man elegy है, देख लेना elegy। Which of the feature is not attributed to lyrical poetry। lyrical poetry में क्या नहीं होता? म्यूजिक होता है, म्यूजिक का मेलोडी है, स्पॉन्टेनियस सिंसियर एंड पर्टलेस होती है, सही है। एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ पोइट्स पर्सनल फीलिंग्स सब्जेक्टिव होता है। बॉम्बेस्टिक इन लैंग्वेज नहीं होती, लिरिकल जो पोइट्री होती है बॉम्बेस्टिक नहीं होती। होमर्स की जो इलियड है वो एग्जाम्पल है, अभी आया था एपिक का एग्जाम है, एग्जाम्पल है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फीचर्स नॉट रेसिड। ड्रामा से कौन नहीं है? ड्रामा में कॉमिक रिलीफ होता है, सॉलिक्वी होता है और ड्रामेटिक आयरनी होती है, लेकिन स्ट्रीम कॉन्शियसनेस नहीं होता। A short story in verse originally intended to be sung गीत तो गाना है तो गाता गीत तो बोलेडी है। विच इज़ नॉट पार्ट ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ क्लासिकल ऑर्डर। एंटीस्ट्रोफी और क्या है एपॉड, तो एक लॉग नहीं है। विच ऑफ फॉलोइंग नॉट नॉन फिक्शनल जेनर, तो नहीं नॉन फिक्शनल जेनर नहीं है। तो डायरीज तो भाई ऑटोबायोग्राफी और मेमोरीज ये सब तो नॉन है, सब की ऑटोबायोग्राफी है। और रोमांस है ये फिक्शनल होता है। प्रिस्पेशिया जो है पेरिपेशिया मीन्स, पेरिपेशिया मतलब क्या होता है? रिवर्सल ऑफ फॉर्चून। फॉर्चून का रिवर्सल हो जाना ये होता है पेरिपेशिया। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एलिमेंट ऑफ ड्रामा। ड्रामा में क्या स्टेज जाके क्राफ्ट करना पड़ेगा, सही है। कैरेक्टर भी होते हैं, डायलॉग भी होते हैं, लेकिन फीडबैक नहीं होता। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फीचर इज नॉट एसोसिएटेड विथ ट्रेजी कॉमेडी। ट्रेजी कॉमेडी में इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कैरेक्टर इंक्लूड बोथ पीपल ऑफ हाई डिग्री और पीपल ऑफ लो डिग्री, सही होता है, दोनों होता है ट्रेजी कॉमेडी में। कंसिस्टेड अ सीरियस एक्शन विच थ्रेटेंड अ ट्रेजिक डिजास्टर टू प्रोटोगनिस्ट होता है। फाइनली बाई द एब्रप्ट चेंज ऑफ सर्कमस्टेंस इट एंडेड हैप्पीली, सही है। लेकिन डील्ड ओनली नहीं होती, डार्क साइड और भी साइड से होती है। द पोइट हु डिस्क्राइब पोइट्री एज इंस्पायर्ड मैथमेटिक्स इज एजरा पाउंड। इंस्पायर्ड मैथमेटिक्स के जैसे किसने डिस्क्राइब किया था पोइट्री को? एजरा पाउंड ने। द सोल ऑफ ट्रेजेडी अकॉर्डिंग टू एरिस्टोटल इज फ्लोट। A metrical foot containing a stretch followed by an unsteered syllable is क्या होता है? ट्रोकी। क्या होता है? ट्रोकी। A meter in which an uncentered syllable precedes the accented is called iambic। यानी uncentered पहले, unaccented पहले, फिर accented, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? iambic। और एक में होता है जिसमें फुट कंटेंट स्ट्रेच पहले होता है फिर अनस्ट्रेच्ड होता है, तो उसमें क्या होगा? ट्रोकी। पहले स्ट्रेच फिर अनस्ट्रेच, ट्रोकी पहले अनस्ट्रेच फिर स्ट्रेच, आयम्बिक। स्टेंजा ऑफ 8 आयम्बिक पेंटामीटर ऑन द पैटर्न ऑफ ABCC इज नॉन एज स्पेंशन स्टेंजा। यह है ABCC स्पेंशन स्टेंजा। The rhyme scheme of a expansion stanza AB BC CD EE। तो एक्सपेंशन स्टेंजा की सोनेट की है जो राइम स्कीम कौन सी है? AB BC CD और EE। Foot is a prosody, is a basic unit of rhythmic, right, rhythmic measurement. The mystery pledge deals with the New Testament. Anagnorisis is a term used by Aristotle for describing the moment of discovery by the protagonist. Heptameter consists of 7 metrical feet. Iambus is a metrical foot consists of 2 syllables. An ideal is usually a poem about a picturesque country life. An ideal is usually a poem about an picturesque country life. T.S. Eliot uses the term objective correlative in his essay Hamlet. The Restoration comedy has been criticized mainly for its indecency, and permissiveness. A monosyllabic rhyme on the final stressed syllable of 2 lines of words is called masculine rhyme. A Shakespearean sonnet has the following rhyme scheme: AB AB CD CD E E F E F AB AB CD CD E F E F G G. The term the comedy of meanness is associated with the early plays of Harold Pinter. English iambic pentameter was brought to its first maturity in sonnet. Arrange the following stage in a sequence in which all Shakespearean tragedy are structured. तो ट्रेजिडी है सबसे पहले एक्सपोजिशन में होती है, फिर कन्फ्लिक्ट, एक्सपोजिशन बाद में शेक्सपियर की जो होती है वो कौन कौन सी, पहले एक्सपोजिशन फिर कन्फ्लिक्ट होती है, एक्सपोजिशन बाद में कन्फ्लिक्ट, कन्फ्लिक्ट के बाद में क्लाइमैक्स, एक्सपोजिशन कन्फ्लिक्ट क्लाइमैक्स, फिर होता है डिनाउंसमेंट, एक्सपोजिशन कन्फ्लिक्ट फिर कॉम्प्लेक्स क्लाइमैक्स, एक्सपोजिशन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्लाइमैक्स और डिनाउंसमेंट. What is a mock heroic poem? A mock heroic poem uses heroic style to deride airs and affectation. In Aristotle's Poetic, we read that it is the imitation of an action that is complete and whole and of a certain magnitude, having a beginning, a middle, and an end. What is it? Tragedy. A poem in which a single speaker monologue at a critical moment address another whose presence is implicit in what the speaker says. A dramatic monologue. In drama, an aside is addressed to an audience by an actor. The words so spoken are not meant to be heard by other actors of the stage. The soul of tragedy, according to Aristotle, is plot. Spenser stanza has 8 iambic pentameters. Who is following did invent the term sprung rhythm? G.M. Hopkins ने इन्वेंट की थी sprung rhythm. The first tragedy written in English is Gorboduc. Who is following is known for aphoristic prose style. Aphoristic prose style कौन जाने जाते हैं? Francis Bacon. Verse that has no set theme, no regular meter, rhyme or stanzic pattern is called free verse. Which of following is speech in which a character reveals his thoughts to audience but not to other characters in the play? Soliloquy. Which of the following comprises some important elements such as plot, exposition, foreshadowing, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution in drama? Which of the following is defined as short poem with rhyming lines written tombstone in praise of a deceased person. Epitaph. Which of the following is a poetry form in which a poem is written in 8-line octave? Each consists of either 10 or 11 syllables and follows the rhyming scheme of A B A B B C C A B A B A B C C A B A B A B C C Ottava rhyma. A subsidiary or subordinate or parallel plot in a play or a story that coexists with the main plot is subplot. What is one of the longest types of poems which has been around for thousands of years? Epic poem. Which of following is a short fictitious story that is presented to teach a religious principle, simple truth or moral lesson? Parable. Which plays featuring a hero who must overcome evil were allegorical nature? Morality plays. Arrange the following parts of the plot of a tragedy in chronicle order. तो सबसे पहले होता है एक्सपोजिशन के बाद में कौन आएगा? राइजिंग एक्शन. पहले एक्सपोजिशन हो गया, फिर राइजिंग एक्शन के बाद में कौन आएगा? क्लाइमैक्स. एक्सपोजिशन, राइजिंग एक्शन, क्लाइमैक्स के बाद में कौन आएगा? फॉलिंग एक्शन. क्लाइमैक्स, फॉलिंग एक्शन, फिर फॉलिंग एक्शन के बाद लास्ट में कैटास्ट्रॉफी. तो पहले एक्सपोजिशन के बाद राइजिंग एक्शन के बाद में क्लाइमैक्स के बाद में फॉलिंग एक्शन के बाद में कैटास्ट्रॉफी. A poem in which epic conventions are subverted is mock heroic epic. A standard sonnet is a poem of lines 14. A long lyric poem serious in subject matter, elevated in style, elaborated in stanzic structure is ode. Which of the following is a medieval poem? A short comic or satiric tale in verse dealing realistically with middle class or lower class characters and delighting in the ribald and obscene. Fably. Lyrical poetry refers to short poems written in rapid and irregular meter, fit to be sung or recited. An Alexandrian is the last line of the Spensian stanza. A ballad is a short poem narrating a tale. The literary art of diminishing a subject by making it ridiculous and evoking towards to it attributes of amusement and scorn is called parody. A lyric is a short poem in which the poet expresses his intense personal feelings. The worship of material and mechanical prosperity and the disregard of culture and beauty and spirit is known as Philistinism. A long poem telling the story of the leader, the whole community written in narrative form and lofty style is called an epic. Who define tragedy in the following manner? Tragedy is an imitation of an action that is serious, complete and of a certain magnitude. Aristotle. The type of fiction whose setting is in the medieval period, often in a gloomy, तो गॉथिक नॉवल में होता है, ये तो gloomy आ गया था, और with dungeon, subterranean passage and use of course mystery called post-Gothic period. What is a poetic license? Poetic license क्या होता है? Poetic license होता है liberties with language and facts is poetic license. What is meant by कैथेरिसिस का मतलब क्या होता है? purgation of emotion of pity and here. Who is the father of the term objective correlative? Objective correlative के father कौन है? T.S. Eliot. Spencer stanza has 9 lines. What is closet drama? Drama to be read is called closet drama. A character which remains almost unchanged throughout the story is called flat character. The Teresa Rima is a stanza of 3 lines. Teresa Rima होती है ये 3 lines की एक stanza होती है. The epic is usually divided into books 12. जो epic होती है अक्सर 12 books में बटी होती है. Blank verse is unrhymed iambic pentameter. Blank verse क्या होता है? Unrhymed iambic pentameter. The birthplace of the sonnet is Italy. The principal object of satire is to ridicule. The 7-line stanza used by medieval poets is rhyme royal. Elegy and sonnets are 2 types of poems. In fiction, the author's overall main idea or most important message is called the theme. A story that ends with a happy resolution of conflicts faced by the main characters or characters comedy. A type of comedy in which ridiculous and often stereotyped characters are involved in a silly, far-fetched situation. Farce. The use of language to evoke a picture or a concrete sensation of a person, a thing, a place, or an experience. Imagery. A poem consisting of 4 lines or 4 lines of a poem that can be considered as a unit quatrain. Brief story told to illustrate a point or serve as an example of something, often showing character of an individual. Anecdote. Who invented and popularized the phrase poetic justice? Rhymer. इसने कही थी राइमर ने poetic justice rhymer. Simplicity, sweet music and melody are remarkable feature of ballad. Simplicity होती है, sweet music होता है और melody होता है ballad में. Complete the sentence. Dirge का means होता है a song of grief. Dirge का means होता है song of grief. What a soliloquy. Soliloquy होता है an actor's speech not to be heard by audience. The term novel was taken from the Italian word novella. The error of judgment is tragedy known as hamartia. Whatever rima is a 8-line stanza in iambic pentameter. The formal structure of typical Shakespearean sonnet is 3 quatrains and a couplet. An unrhymed iambic pentameter verse is called blank verse. Which of following is not an elegy? Lycidas elegy है, Thyrsis elegy है और in memoriam elegy. Endymion elegy नहीं है. The word catharsis is taken from the field of medicine. Autobiography means the life story of a person written by himself. Which of the following was an epic? Milton's Paradise Lost is an epic. What is caesura? Caesura in a poetry. Caesura क्या होता है? Pause indicated by a comma. The heroic couplet generally is in iambic pentameter. Pathetic fallacy is a phrase invented by John Ruskin. Pathetic fallacy है John Ruskin की द्वारा इन्वेंटेड की गई थी 1856 में. One of the following is an epistolary novel. Epistolary novel कौन सा है? Pamela है. Pamela ही है. Pamela कह दो या और virtue rewarded कह दो इसको. यही है. A ballad stanza is of 4 lines. Ballad stanza होता है वो कितने लाइन का होता है? 4 lines. Ballad stanza is of 4 lines. Elegy began to be so called because it was a poem of sorrow. Elegy began to be so called because It was a poem of sorrow. The novel is one of the latest form of writing. A dramatic monologue is a poem. A ballad is a folk song or early transmitted poem. Denouement is related to a play. Denouement is related to a play. An eclogue is a pastoral poem. An eclogue is a pastoral poem. An eclogue is a pastoral poem. The idea that the good are rewarded and the evil punished is termed by poetic justice. Termed in poetic justice by Thomas Rhymer in Poetic Justice. An extended speech in which a character alone expresses his thoughts one stage is called soliloquy. A dactyl is metrical foot consisting of 3 syllables. A work that makes fun of another works by imitating some aspect of writer's style is called parody. A scene that interprets the normal chronological sequence of events in a story to depict something that happened at an earlier time. Flashback. A hymn is a church song. Hymn is a church song. What meter is sonnet written in iambic pentameter? Who invented the spring rhythm? J.M. Hopkins. Who is known as the master of dramatic monologue? Robert Browning, master of dramatic monologue. Vers liber is open form. Vers liber is open form. The regular ode is a close imitation of Pindar. A verse of 2 lines of equal length rhyming with each other at end is called couplet. Who introduced the sonnet in English poetry? Thomas White. A caesura is a pause in a line. The term essay is the derivative of the French root essay, which means to try. Chorus. Chorus is a group of singers in drama. Chorus is a group of singers in drama. The rhetorical device of amphora implies which of the following anaphora following repeating the first word or the successive sentence or clauses. Psalm is a lyrical composition of praise. Psalm is a lyrical composition of praise. The Chaucerian stanza or rhyme royal comprises 7 lines. Allusion is event, person, place, or artistic work. Comic relief implies a short humorous episode interpreting tragedy. Parable is a brief tale illustrating some moral. Morality plays were produced in the 15th or 16th centuries. Bucolic refers to the poet who wrote pastoral elegy called bucolic. Bucolic refers to the poets who wrote pastoral elegy. An Alexandrine is a verse line in Spenserian poem in iambic hexameter. Free verse is poetry converting to no regular meter. Aphorism is a statement condensing much wisdom in few words. Heroic couplet is a pair of rhyming iambic pentameter. Heroic quatrain is 4-line stanza in iambic pentameter. Choose the correct option among the following. Blank words has a meter but no rhyme. The early religious drama is associated with miracles and morality. Epithalamion is a nuptial song. Hamartia means error of judgment. Miracle plays are based on the lives of saints. A sonnet having 3 quatrains and a couplet with rhyming scheme AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, GG. Pian sonnet. The Pindaric ode consists of strophe, antistrophe, and epode. A fable is known as epilogue. What is blank verse? It has a meter but no rhyme. Anagnorisis is a term used by Aristotle in order to describe the moment of discovery by protagonist. Unright metrical composition consisting of 5 iambic measures in each line is called blank verse. Iambs and anapestus are called rising meters because the strong stage is at the end. Act. One of the main divisions of a play act. Scene division with no change of locale or abrupt shift of time. Conflict. A struggle between opposing forces. Plot. A sequence of events in a literary work. Chevy Chase, Nut Brown's Maid, Coleridge's Ancient Mariner, Keats' La Belle Dame Sans Merci, Walter Scott's The Lady of the Last Minstrel, Cowper's John Gilpin are some of the well-known ballads. Secondary epic is known as legendary epic. A sonnet is 14-line poem in iambic pentameter. A sonnet has one stanza of 14 lines. A sonnet line contains an unstressed syllable followed by stressed syllable. Who is considered father of sonnet? Petrarch. Who is father of English sonnet? Petrarch. White and Surrey. Earl of Surrey. White and Earl of Surrey. Which of the following is not type of sonnet? Shakespeare sonnet, Miltonic sonnet, Curtis sonnet भी थे, pastoral sonnet नहीं थे. A sonnet is lyric. A Shakespeare sonnet contains 3 quatrain and couplet and 1 couplet. A concluding rhyming couplet is characteristics of Shakespeare sonnet. How many sonnets were composed by Shakespeare? 154. Most of Shakespeare's sonnets are addressed to W.H. Which of the following is not an example of Shakespearean sonnet? Shall I compare the Shakespearean sonnet है? Not Marble nor the Gilded Monument Shakespearean sonnet है. The Marriage of the True Mind Shakespearean sonnet है. An elegy written in concert yard ये थॉमस ग्रे की है. Elegy है. A Miltonic sonnet contains an octave and a sestet. Caesura is the characteristics of Miltonic sonnet. ये कैजुरा किसका है? मिल्टोनिक सोनेट का और शेक्सपियर सोनेट का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है. व्हाट इज वोल्टा इन पेट्रार्क सोनेट? अ टर्निंग पॉइंट इज वोल्टा इन पेट्रार्क सोनेट. व्हेन वर शेक्सपियर सोनेट पब्लिश्ड फर्स्ट? 1609 में. शेक्सपियर सोनेट वर प्रिंटेड बाय थॉमस थॉर्प. Spenserian sonnet is a sonnet nearest to Shakespearean sonnet. Curtis sonnet were written by James Hopkins. Which of the following is true about codet sonnet? Codet sonnet is an expanded version of sonnet 14 lines in standard sonnet form followed by a coda or tail. This sonnet coda sonnet verse form is often used for satire. Not verbal, nor the glided monuments is a sonnet. Not marble, nor the glided monuments is a sonnet. Not marble, nor the glided monument is a sonnet. A sonnet is a subjective. Which of the following is not a sonnet? The world is to me with sonnet. Why, where I don't have fears, sonnets. On his 23rd birthday, sonnets. Tintin अबे sonnets नहीं है. The prologue to Romeo and Juliet is sonnet. The prologue to Romeo and Juliet is a sonnet. Which of the following is true? Aristophane and Stella is a sonnet sequence of 108 sonnets by Sir Philip Sidney. Almagro is a sonnet sequence of 88 sonnets by Edmund Spenser. Delia is a sonnet sequence of 50 sonnets by Samuel Denial. Upon Westminster Bridge, the world is too much with us. London 1802 are famous sonnets by Wordsworth. Upon Westminster Bridge, the world is too much with us is or London 1802 by Wordsworth. Allegory is a symbolic poem in which meaning is hidden under the lines. Which of the following is a characteristic of allegory? Expression of abstract ideas in concrete terms, the meaning laying hidden under the lines, the expression of ideas usually moral or ethical. Which of the following is an allegory? Allegory है फेरी क्वीन, allegory है Pilgrim's Progress, फेरी क्वीन, Idylls of King, allegory, Absalom and Achitophel, allegory, सारी allegory. Which of the following technique is used to present abstract in concrete forms in allegory? Alliteration and simile. The scene of sin and death. Milton's Paradise Lost is an example of allegory. Can humorous honor's voice provoke the silent dust, or flattery soothe the dull, cold ear of death? Is an example of allegory. The first biography is Boswell's Life of Johnson. Which of the following is not an autobiography? बॉसवेल्स लाइफ ऑफ जॉनसन है, ऑटोबायोग्राफी नहीं है, ऑटोबायोग्राफी नहीं है बॉसवेल की लिखी हुई जॉनसन की लाइफ। ऑगस्टाइन की कन्फेशन है, GB शो की 16 लाइफ स्केचेज है ऑटोबायोग्राफी। नेरो की माई ऑटोबायोग्राफी है ये। ए बेलेड इज सिंपल स्टोरी इन वर्ड्स डीलिंग विथ पैट्रियोटिक और रोमांटिक थीम, फुल ऑफ डीड्स ऑफ प्रोवर्ब्स एंड सुपरनेचुरल हैपनिंग्स, सही है। फोक सॉन्ग भी है, सही है। A ballad is a story in verse dealing with some patriotic or romantic theme. Which of the following is the characteristic of ballad? Refrain at the end of a stanza in ballad, forceful narration in ballad, written in quatrain stanza with rhyme at the end of the second and fourth line in ballad. Impersonal होती है ballad. One or more words repeated at intervals in poem, usually at the end of stanza, or the use of same line, called refrain. The most usual form English ballad is written in quatrain. Ballad is related to with folk tradition. What is broadside ballad? Broadside ballad क्या होती है? Ballad that is painted only on single side of the sheet. Which of the following is an example of ballad? Rime of the Ancient Mariner ballad, La Ballade de Saint Mercy ballad, Ballad of East and West ballad, How They Brought Good News ballad. A ballad is a poem, objective poem. A ballad is a objective poem. The first biography is Boswell's Life of Johnson's first biography. Biography is a life history of a person written by others. Burlesque aims at producing laughter by the comic treatment of serious subject, the ridiculous imitation of serious work. Which of the following is an example of burlesque? Butler's Hudibras, George Wheeler's The Rehearsal, burlesque कदर है. Chaucer's Sir Thopas, burlesque. Fielding's Tom the Great, burlesque. Burlesque is related to literary composition, dramatic representation. Burlesque is an incongruous imitation. Burlesque is a form of comedy. Which one among the following can be considered a generic name for which the rest are the various species? Travesty. A parody imitates the serious style of a particular work of an artist. Applies the serious style of work of or an artist to the most discordant subject or comic and satire purpose. Burlesque, parody and travesty, which is common among them are various forms of satire. If the form and style are elevated and subject is trivial, the technique is subject trivial or style is elevated, high burlesque. If the form and style is trivial and the subject is sublime, the technique is low burlesque. A carol is a joyous song generally sung at Christmas. A chronicle play, a play dealing with some historical facts and personage. Which one of the following is chronicle play? Chronicle play कौन सा है इनमें से? जीबीशो का स्टीव जॉनसन एंड सीजर क्लेपेटर है. रिचर्ड सेकंड भी क्रॉनिकल प्ले है. जूलियस भी है, सीजर भी है, जो सीजर शेक्सपियर की भी वो भी है, हेनरी रिचर्ड सेकंड ये भी है. हाउ मैनी क्रॉनिकल प्लेज वर रिटन बाय शेक्सपियर? 10 क्रॉनिकल प्ले बाय शेक्सपियर. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नॉट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ क्लोजेट प्ले? मिल्टन की सैमसन अगोनास्टा ये क्लोजेट प्ले है. सेले की प्रोमेथस अनबाउंड क्लोजेट प्ले है. सीनबर्न्स अटलांटा क्लोजेट प्ले है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ एन एपिक? लॉन्ग नैरेटिव पोएम होती है. डील्स विथ हीरोइक फिगर्स. डील्स विथ सब्जेक्ट ऑफ यूनिवर्सल इंपोर्टेंस. इट इज जो एपिक होती है रिटन इन एलिवेटेड स्टाइल. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एन एपिक? होमर्स की इलियड एपिक, होमर्स की ओडिसी एपिक, वर्जिल की एनियड एपिक, मिल्टन्स की पैराडाइज लॉस्ट एपिक. एपिक इज ऑब्जेक्टिव लिटरेचर, नैरेटिव लिटरेचर. A marriage song or hymeneal called epithalamium. Who is considered the father of essay? Father of essay किसको कहा जाता है? माइकल डी मॉन्टेग्नी. माइकल डी मॉन्टेग्नी को फादर ऑफ essay कहा जाता है. फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश essay बेकन. Who is और फादर ऑफ essay माइकल डी मॉन्टेग्नी. Who is considered the father of English essay? बेकन. A loose shell of mind and irregular, undigested is not an regular orderly performance. Who defined essay as above? Dr. Johnson. Who speaks of his essay as dispersed meditation? Bacon. An essay is a short prose composition on a restricted topic. A formal essay is one that includes serious purpose, logical organization and length, impersonal element. An informal essay is one of that includes personal element and humor. Informal graceful style and rambling structure in informal essay, freedom from stiffness and affectation, and incomplete treatment of topic. Which of the following is an example of elegy? Grace elegy written in Kanchi Churchyard elegy है W. Jordan की in memory of W. Yeats elegy, Tennyson की in memoriam elegy है. Monody क्या होता है? Monody है morning poem presented by one person. Monody. Which of the following is an example of monody? मिल्टन की जो लिसिडास है ये मोनोडी है. Which of the following is an example of first pastoral elegy? First pastoral elegy कौन सी है? स्पेंसन की जो एस्ट्रोफल है फर्स्ट पास्टरल एलेजी है. डिफरेंस बिटवीन एलेजिक स्टेंजा एंड बेलेड मेजर्स. एलेजिक स्टेंजा हैज अल्टरनेटिव राइमिंग स्कीम. इन बेलेड स्टेंजा ओनली सेकंड लाइन राइम विथ वन लाइन. A farce is a type of comedy. Grace elegy written in Country Churchyard is different from Milton's Lycidas because the first doesn't जो ग्रे की जो है एलेजी रिटन चर्चयार्ड यानी ये डील्स नहीं करती पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स और पर्सन, लेकिन जो मिल्टन की जो लिसिडास है ये मॉन्स ऑन डेथ ऑफ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन पर करती है. मिल्टन लिसिडास. सेले की जो एडनाइस मॉन्स है वो है द ग्रेटेस्ट सेंसियस पोइट. सेलेज एडनाइस मॉन्स द ग्रेटेस्ट सेंसियस पोइट. Lycidas can be compared with the works of Virgil and Theocritus. Lycidas is a pastoral work. Find out a group of two different elegies. Elegy written Country Churchyard or in memoriam of W. Yeats. Epic is different from elegy in its style, length, subject matter as well as. Epic is objective, elegy is subjective or semi-subjective. Which of the following is not example of a farce? Shakespeare's Comedy of Errors farce है. निकोलस की उडाल लाइफ रोस्टर फार्स है भाई, कॉमेडी है उसमें. ऑस्कर की वाइल्ड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ बीइंग अर्नेस्ट ये भी फार्स है. शेक्सपियर की एज यू लाइक इट फार्स नहीं है. Farce aims at exciting laughter by means of buffoonery and exaggeration. Which of the following is a characteristic on a heroic drama? It is a illustration drama. It is written in heroic couplet. It is man's exponent was John Dryden. Man's exponent was John Dryden. Heroic drama का. Pick out the one that is an example of heroic drama. Heroic drama ड्राइडन की जो कॉन्क्वेस्ट ऑफ गरांडा heroic drama है. ड्राइडन की औरंगजेब heroic drama है. heroic drama was originated by ड्राइडन नहीं, originated की थी डेवेनेंट के द्वारा. डेवेनेंट के द्वारा originated की गई थी heroic drama और मोहन एक्सपोनेंट कौन इसके ड्राइडन. A hymn is lyrical expressing religious emotion. What is fable? Fable is a short allegorical tale in prose or verse having a moral lesson. Which of the following is an example of a fable? फेबल में होता है जॉर्ज ऑरवेल की एनिमल फार्म फेबल है. डार्डन की मॉडर्न एंड एंशिएंट फेबल है. किपलिंग की जस्ट सो स्टोरीज फेबल है. Which of the following is a characteristic of an opera? A drama whose language is song. Opera. Action is performed to the accompaniment of musical instrument. ये भी है क्या opera? The first opera in English literature is B. Avenant Siege Rhodes. Which of the following is an example of dramatic opera? शेक्सपियर की जो टेम्पेस्ट है वो ड्रामेटिक ऑपेरा है. Who wrote prose idylls? चार्ल्स किंग्सली ने लिखा था प्रोज इडलीज. Who wrote इडलीज ऑफ द किंग? इडलीज ऑफ द किंग किसने लिखा था? टेनिसन ने. Which of the following is a characteristic of idyll? इडिल शॉर्ट लिरिक पोएम होती है लिटिल पिक्चर ऑफ एवरीडे लाइफ एमिड नेचुरल सराउंडिंग्स होती है प्रेजेंटेड पास्ट एंड डिस्क्रिप्टिव एलिमेंट होता है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इडल। इडल की होती है रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग की ड्रामेटिक इडल्स है और टेनिंगसन की इडल्स ऑफ द किंग ये भी इडल है। A short dramatic piece or musical performance between the parts of an independent play or musical entertainment. This is called interlude. Which of the following is an example of interlude? इंटरल्यूड का एग्जाम्पल कौन सा है? जॉन हेवुड से द 4 Ps, ये इंटरल्यूड का एग्जाम्पल है। Which of the following is a characteristic of soliloquy? Soliloquy का एग्जाम्पल है soliloquy is spoken by one person, kind of talking to one person. It is devised to convey to audience the internal conflict of a character. Soliloquy of the Spanish chorister belongs to Robert Browning. Christopher Marlowe's Dr. Faustus opens with soliloquy. Which of the following wrote plays that are tragedies? Christopher Marlowe. What is tale? Tale has been used loosely for any short narrative, either true or fictitious. Which of the following is an example of tale in verse? Chaucer's Canterbury Tale is example of tale in verse. What is threnody? Threnody क्या होता है? Greek lyric, usually a choral, dirge or singing in praise of the dead. Which of the following is characteristic of lay? lay क्या होती है? lay होती है both of यानी कि a short romantic tale of adventure और a song और short narrative poem होती है। कौन होती है? lay. Which of the following is a notable example of lay? चौसर्स की फ्रैंकलिन टेल ले है, स्कॉट्स की ले ऑफ लास्ट मिनिस्टर ले है, मैकोले की ले ऑफ एंशिएंट रोम ले है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द चीफ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ लम्पून? लम्पून का चीफ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है? वोलेंट सेटायर और पर्सनल अटैक इन पर्पज वर्स। द चीफ मोटिव इज टू सेटिस्फाई पर्सनल मेलाइस। वॉट इज लाइम राइक? लाइम राइक क्या होता है? पॉपुलर टाइप ऑफ नॉनसेंस। Limerick's reached the peak of their work with the publication of Audelyer's book of the chief characteristics of mock epic. Long narrative, subjective matter is trivial, the style is exalted and sublime. Which of the following is notable examples of mock epic? Alexander Pope की जो Rape of the Lock है ये है। Satirical mock epic in prose, Alexander Pope की Rape of the Lock। What is picturesque novel? कौन है? A novel which tells the life or story of a rogue. Who can be considered the originator of picturesque novel? Thomas Nash. Which of the following can be considered the first picturesque novel? The Unfortunate Traveller. The who popularized picturesque novel? Henry Fielding. Popularized Henry Fielding. Coined by Thomas Nash. Which of the following is notable example of picturesque novel? Henry Fielding's Tom Jones, Thackeray's Barry Lyndon, R.K. Narayan's Guide सारी पिक्चरेस्क नॉवल है। Which of the following is a characteristic of odd? Odd क्या होती है? Odd एक होती है sublime and exalted subject matter style होता है, conscious work of art होता है, ये होता है। Which one is not type of odd? Pindaric odd होता है, Horatian odd होता है, English odd होता है, pastoral odd नहीं होता। An odd can be differentiated from a lyric because odd is little longer than lyric. Odd is similar to ballad in the sense both the types are the development. Writings about shepherds and rustic life is known as pastoral. Which of the following is the notable example of pastoral work? Spenser is Shepherd's Calendar, Sidney's Arcadia, Shakespeare's As You Like It, ये सारी pastoral work है। Arcadia, As You Like It और Shepherd's Calendar, Spenser, Arcadia, Sidney, As You Like It, Spenser। What is dirge? Dirge क्या है? Fundal song composed to commemorate the dead. Fear no more the heat of the sun, and full fathom five thy father lies. Both are the example of dirge. What are the chief characteristics of fantasy? Vacancy breaking free from reality, concerns incredible and unreal character, and a work that takes place in non-existent and unreal world. Which of the following is a notable example of fantasy? J.M. Barrie's Peter Pan Fantasy, Aldous Huxley Brave New World Fantasy, Shakespeare की Midsummer Night's Dream Fantasy. A play in which a social problem is presented with a dramatist solution, it is known as thesis play or problem play. A satire is one that uses laughter as a weapon, is used as a corrective of human voice and fully ridiculous the feeling rather than the individual. What are the chief characteristics of parable? A short tale intended to convey some moral. Its characteristics are usually human beings, not animals or plants. An ode can be differentiated from a lyric because ode is serious and exalted, lyric is light. Ode is similar to ballad in the sense both the types are development of folk literature. The comedy of manner is generally asserted to the Restoration age. Each of the following type of comedy is also called artificial comedy, comedy of manner. The name of Congreve is associated with comedy of humors. Who revived the comedy of manner in the 18th century? Goldsmith and Sheridan. Who is considered the greatest writer of historical romance? Sir Walter Scott. Sheridan's rivals, the school war scandal. Oscar Wilde's The Importance of Being. Ernest Mangum's The Circle. Howard की Private Lives are example of comedy of manners. Which of the following is a notable example of comedy of manner? कॉन्ग्रेव की जो वे ऑफ द वर्ल्ड है ये, और गोल्ड स्मिथ की द स्टॉप्स शी स्टॉप्स टू कंक्लूड ये भी है, वाइकली की प्लेन डीलर ये भी है, और एथरडीज की द मैन ऑफ मॉड ये भी है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए चीफ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ कॉमेडी? कंटेन सम सबलिमिटी, subtlety and character drawing. Comedy walks through full laughter होता है कॉमेडी में, और a play having a happy ending. The first comedy in English literature is Ralph Doster. Ralph Doster is which of the following is a notable example of comedy? D.B. Shaw की कैंडिडा कॉमेडी, शेक्सपियर की ट्वेल्थ नाइट कॉमेडी, शेक्सपियर की एज यू लाइक इट कॉमेडी. What are the chief characteristics of madrigal? Short lyric song of Italian origin की वजह madrigal. Madrigal dealing with love or pastoral theme. Madrigal are designed for musical things. What are the chief characteristics of mask? Mask का characteristic क्या है? Chief development of mask in reigns of James I and Charles I. It flourished in England during the career of Ben Jonson. Masks was a short dramatic entertainment in which the performers wore masks of peculiar forms. Which of the following are notable example of mask? Ben Jonson की मास्क ऑफ ह्यूमन मास्क का एग्जाम्पल है. बेन जॉनसन की मास्क ऑफ क्वींस. आर फॉस्टर्स की अ मास्क ऑफ विजन ये भी इसका है. Who defines short story as story? Short story should be a story record things happenings full of incident, unexpected development leading through suspense, climax, satisfying development. Hogg, Walpole. A play full of blood, horror, and terror is known as Senecan tragedy. A folk tale of ancient or primitive people, usually involving their religious belief, is known as myth. The term of mystery plays means a type of medieval religious drama dealing with biblical stories. The term of miracle plays means a type of medieval religious drama dealing with the lives of saints and martyrs. Lyric is subjective literature. Who was the master of dramatic monologue? Robert Browning. What are the chief features of lyric? Can be sung. Lyric spontaneous work, not conscious work of art, overflow of emotion and feelings. Pick out one of that is not an example of lyric. पीवी शैली की जो क्लाउड है ये क्या है? लिरिक है. क्रिस्टोफर की मार्लो द पैशनेट एफर्ट्स टू हिज लव लिरिक है. वर्ड्सवर्थ की सॉलिटरी पर भी लिरिक है. What are the chief features of dramatic monologue? Single speaker, passive listener, particular action, portrait of a character. Pick out one of not example of dramatic monologue. रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग की लास्ट राइड टुगेदर मोनोलॉग. रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग की माई लास्ट डचेज माई लास्ट राइड टुगेदर ये है मोनोलॉग, ड्रामेटिक मोनोलॉग. विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ की टर्न अबे मोनोलॉग ड्रामेटिक. जॉन किट्स की लव ये बैलेड है. गॉथिक नॉवल इंडिकेटेड टू हॉरर ए टेरर रिवेंज ब्लड शॉट फुल ऑफ एक्शन स्ट्रगल बिटवीन द फोर्सेज ऑफ गुड एंड इविल. ये नहीं होता, केवल होता है हॉरर टेरर एंड रिवेंज एंड ब्लड शेड. यही होता है केवल. फुल ऑफ एक्शन नहीं होता, स्ट्रगल बिटवीन नहीं होता, केवल हॉरर टेरर एंड रिवेंज एंड ब्लड शेड. द टर्म मॉडली प्लेज मीन्स type of medieval drama characteristic are abstract, allegorical, symbolic, bearing the means of virtue, vices, struggle between the forces of good. Pick out that is not an example of sonnet sequence. इस पेंशन की अमोरिटी सोनेट सीक्वेंस में है. और फिलिप सिडनी की एस्ट्रोफल सोनेट. वर्ड्सवर्थ की द रिवर बिडोंट बी है. शेक्सपियर की एज यू लाइक इट सोनेट सीक्वेंस में नहीं है. फर्स्ट ट्रेजेडी इन इंग्लिश लिटरेचर इज गोरबोट डक. नॉर्टन शेक्सपियर की गोरबोट डक. A short poem ending with pointed turn of thought is known as epigram. Who defines tragedy as a tragedy then in artistic imitation of adequate magnitude? Aristotle. The pick out one that is not an example of an ode. जॉन किट्स की ओड टू ऑटम, विलियम कॉलिंस की ओड टू इवनिंग है, पीवी शैली की ओड टू वेस्ट पॉइंट है, जॉन गिलिस दास नहीं है, एलिजी है. एक्ट क्या है? एक्ट मेजर डिवीजन ऑफ ए ड्रामा. Anagnorisis is related to drama. Inversion of the usual normal or logical order of the part of a sentence is called anastrophe. Antagonist is related to drama. Pick out the different one. Memories, diaries, journals, biography different है. मेमोरी डायरीज एंड जर्नल्स आर रिलेटेड टू ऑटोबायोग्राफी. मेमोरी डायरी और जर्नल होती है, ऑटोबायोग्राफी होती है, बायोग्राफी दूसरे द्वारा लिखी जाती है. पिक आउट वन दैट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स. बिफन, क्लाउन, फूल और प्रोटैगनिस्ट. बिफन अलग है. एक्सेप्ट प्रोटैगनिस्ट ऑल आर द कॉमिक कैरेक्टर्स. बिफन में कैरेक्टर नहीं होता. ये कंटो इज ए सेक्शन or division of long poem. Pick out the term that is opposite to prologue. Prologue का opposite क्या होता है? Epilogue. What is similar between confession of an English opium eater for quarters Asian cantos? All these are great tragedies. Opium. All these are great romantic works. All these are great works by Thomas Dickens. All these are confessional autobiographical works. ये है, ये चारों नहीं है. Hopkins' Pied Beauty is an example of Curtis sonnet. Apollyon is a narrative poem visually presenting an episode of heroic past. The influence of heroic life, literature and mythology known as Hellenism. The influence of French life and literature is known as Galician. A heroic quatrain is 4 lines of and pentameter. Which of following not Gothic novel? आर्च वॉलपोल की कास्टर टेंटो है, एन रेडक्लिफ की मिस्ट्रीज और विडोल्फो है, एमिली ब्रोंटे की वदरिंग हाइट्स ये भी गॉथिक नॉवल है, फिलिप सिटिंग आर्केडिया गॉथिक नॉवल नहीं है. A 7 line stanza is known as heptastis. Chaucer introduced heroic couplet in his work The Legend of Good Men. Thomas Gray's elegy written in country churchyard is written in heroic quatrain. What is which is odd is Keats' ode on creation and oration ode. Invocation is an address to deity for aid. Which of the following is known as link sonnet, spin sonnet? A macronic verse is one that mingles two or more languages. Macronic. Madrigal is a form of lyric. Which of the following type of drama deals with personified abstraction, struggling for a human soul? Morality play.